What's the difference between a bad guy and a good guy who does bad things? Where's the line between white lie and outright evil?
I want you to play rough. I want you to claw their eyes out.
Do you remember Joe Hunt I was telling you about?
Joe is a genius.
I would love to hear your investment strategy.
Gentlemen, how about we make some new money? The BBC.
The only difference between high-risk investing and a Ponzi scheme is how it all ends.
This deal is worth $250 million.
And your lives will never be the same.
The Billionaire boys.
Have you driven a new car before?
This car is worth more than my apartment.
I'm winning, I'm winning. I'm winning, I'm winning. I'm winning, I'm winning. I'm winning, I'm winning. I'm winning, I'm winning.
You're kind of all over the place, Joe. Diverting investments to pay expenses.
Wait, you knew?
I'm from Wall Street. Do you think people really get rich playing by the rules?
Where's the money?
There was never any money. Ron had a fake account.
Ron Levin burnt me down, Sid. I owe a lot of money to a lot of people. I need to pay them back.
If the BBC creators, every document will be under the microscope of the IRS, the SEC, the FBI.
What would you do to make him give us our money back?
Sometimes the truth is the best lie.
Tape your mouth shut so no one can hear him squeal.
Where's Ron Levin?
What did you do? There is only one move here. Cut our losses and end this.
Don't you feel